It is one beautiful flipping day. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope that your Tuesday is terribly terrific. Not terrible, but terribly terrific. Mine is, because look at how beautiful the weather is today. And I'm on my lunch break and I'm like, I'm gonna go get some of that sunshine. I'm going out and get some of that beautiful weather, that warm. It's warm because it's in the 70s, even though it's almost the last day of November. But I'm thankful for it. Guys, it is time for your Mindful Minute with Dr. E. And I'm super excited today. I'm excited because I woke up with a smile on my face. I woke up rested. And although my day took an unexpected turn, the thing that I thought I was going to do this morning didn't happen. But I'm still thankful for all. And, you know, we're coming to the end of November. You know, I told you that I reflect on something I am grateful for every day during the month of November. And it always excites me so much that it tends to carry over into December. But in December, I'm going to start a new challenge. And that challenge is going to be around putting some healthy practices in place that I have let go. And I know that's typically something that people do in January with their resolutions. But I feel like as soon as you're made aware of things, you should do it then. We shouldn't do things on ceremony. We shouldn't do things ritualistically. We should do things when they hit us, when they can benefit us. So I'm going to be mindful of the water that I drink. I'm going to be mindful of the foods that I eat. I'm still considering doing a fast. I haven't done that in a long time, or really haven't really. I haven't fasted in a long time. I'm not going to say I haven't ever done it, but I haven't done one in a long time. And so I'm considering that. I'm thinking about taking a social media fast, or definitely be more mindful of the things that I am ingesting. A friend and I talked about being impeccable with our word. And so being mindful of gossip and negative talk that we might be privy to. Well, I don't like that side. I'm going to keep going this way. Keep going this way and see if this way gets... Okay, yeah, this way is nicer. So, yeah, I'm going to put together something for December. I'm going to share it in the Choose Joy email. I'm going to share it on my social media platforms. Something that can help us cleanse ourselves of negativity, cleanse ourselves of gunk, physically, mentally, spiritually, just to, you know, increase our chances of choosing joy. So, I guess I've talked about that because I wanted to. I just wanted to get outside and I wanted to share this beautiful weather with you. Take a 360 of my neighborhood in the block that I'm walking on, because it's so freaking gorgeous today. I feel like before the day is over, I'm going to put on my workout gear and like really get in a good walk. But yeah, as far as what I want you to be mindful for today is that, you know, first of all, be mindful that Dr. E is coming out with a challenge for December. I want you to be mindful of the gunk in your life that you need to remove from your life. People, practices, things that you are allowing to slow you down. Again, slow you down physically, slow you down mentally, slow you down spiritually, slow you down emotionally. It's time to let those things go so that we can be lighter and we can fly and we can soar and we can be who we were meant to be. Joyful, happy, productive, positive creatures in this world. So that's all I got for you today. I gotta tell you, as I was writing the email for tomorrow, I thought about it's about self-love. It's about tough self-love. It's about dealing with hardship. It's about how we feel when things seem like they're too much. And I love this little picture quote because it says, even when you're feeling like things are too much, know that somewhere there's a flower growing through concrete. And think about that, the tenacity of a flower to grow from a crack in the concrete. And if that little flower can push through its hardship, surely we can as well, right? So be mindful of that. Be mindful of the power that you have. Be mindful of the things that you're doing that give you life and things that seem to rob you of life. I think that's all I need to say today. I always want to leave you with, be kind to yourself, Be kind to others and give the world the beauty and warmth of your smile. That's your gift to the world. You don't do nothing for that. Just smile. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. Take care. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I love each and every one of you. I love each and every one of you. Take care.